Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Noor Siddiq and you are watching my channel Code Lovers. Welcome to the JavaScript world. JavaScript is the programming language of HTML, CSS and the web. If you do not know HTML, CSS, go ahead and watch the tutorials or learn somewhere else, whatever you feel comfortable. Do not worry, JavaScript is easy to learn. When I started learning JavaScript, it was completely a new world to me. But a little bit practice made things more easier. Those who are only enjoying videos is fine, but I would recommend to practice with me. This tutorial will teach you JavaScript from basic to advanced. JavaScript is widely used web-based programming language that powers the dynamic behavior on most websites, but web pages are not the only place where JavaScript is used. Many desktop and server programs use JavaScript. Well, you might be thinking, where or how can I practice? I'm gonna show you a couple of ways so you can learn from my videos and practice over there. First, go to your browser, then more tools, developers tool, and from console, you can practice here JavaScript. Like, let me write 5 plus 5. You see that JavaScript is working on your browser. So you are telling your browser to print hello in the console. So it printed out hello. In this way, you can write code here and practice in the developers tool mode. Also, if you have Node installed on your computer, you can create a file like lesson.js. So a .js file, type node and your file. So you will see the output in the terminal. There are other tools you can practice online like Repl.it. Go here, repl.it, type JavaScript, open it. Go ahead and check this out. You can practice there also. I'm gonna try another method. Create an HTML file like my lessons.html. Open it and type your code and check this in the browser. So as you can see here, and this is an HTML file. So you can see here HTML head, body, and we'll be adding a tag named script, opening and closing tag. And in the opening tag, we will type an attribute like type equal to text slash JavaScript, and inside this tag, we will be writing our all codes and test in a browser. Let's go ahead and write our very first JavaScript program. Document.write let's learn JavaScript. Awesome. Save this and open this file in the browser. Did you see that? The JavaScript is working in the browser. Okay. Let me write another thing. What are you thinking? The output should be 5 plus 5, 10. 10. Awesome. That's way, and in this way, we will be learning and practicing about our JavaScript, and we will see our output in the browser. Okay, go ahead, set up and practice this thing. In the next video, we will learn data types in JavaScript. Thanks for watching my channel and do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.